How to download Netflix movies. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how we can download Netflix movies on our device, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to download Netflix movies, first of all you need to make sure that you have got a premium subscription. After you've done that, you want to make sure to open up the Netflix application and log into any of your profiles that you can see over here. So once you go ahead and then log into your profiles, this is the type of interface that you're going to see. Now after that, let's say that there's a certain show or episode that you would like to download. Just go to that particular show here, and instead of tapping on the play option that you find there, right underneath that you will find a download button there. So if you'd like to download that particular movie, just tap on the download icon and the download will actually begin. Later on, after the download is complete, you can watch the downloaded shows offline without even being connected to the internet. Then you can tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom right, go to downloads, and then you'll be able to see your downloaded shows. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then download movies and shows on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.